Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change font style on an iPhone. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, things to keep in mind, you cannot change the system-wide font for an iPhone, okay? For example, the text right here, you cannot change it. But you can just go ahead and change the font if you're just using notes, messaging apps, or something that lets you open up the keyboard, okay? You could also install custom keyboards. If not, let's just go ahead and use the system settings. Okay, go ahead and find the settings app, tap on it. Now scroll all the way down until you find accessibility. Tap on accessibility. In here, scroll down, all the way down until you find keyboards and typing. Tap on it. Now tap on hover typing. Make sure that this one is enabled. Now display mode right here. Leave it to docked. Go back. Just tap on the font section. Okay, go ahead and find the font that you would like to use. For example, this one, Chalk Duster. Okay, and once that's done, you can go ahead and open up a supported app. Okay, and it should work, as you can see here. That's basically it. But if you just want to make your text larger, well, you can just go back to settings right here. Go back, go ahead and go to the top. Okay, under accessibility, we have display and text size. Tap on it. You can use bold text, larger text, all that. Okay, increase the contrast and some other options. That is it. That is how you change font style on iPhone. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.